Hello everyone. In a recent professional development session, our principal Dr. Prabhat Kaushik emphasized the role of expertise in subject matter in shaping effective teaching. This focus helped deepen my understanding of how this attribute contributes to a positive learning environment and student success. Let us explore this important quality more deeply. Expertise in subject matter, knowledge of the content a teacher is responsible for delivering. It goes beyond simply knowing the facts. It involves understanding the concepts, being aware of recent developments, and being able to explain the material in various ways to suit different learners. When teachers are confident in their subject, they are better equipped to make lesson engaging, accurate and meaningful. Students feel secure when they sense their teacher truly knows what they are talking about. This builds trust, curiosity and a love for learning. Moreover, strong subject knowledge allows a teacher to clarity doubt instantly connect topic with real life situation and guide students towards higher order thinking. Expertise should not just remain theoretical, it must be reflect in lesson plans, classrooms, discussions, project-based learning and assessment. Teachers can use their subject knowledge to design creative activities, use relevant examples, and personalize instruction. They can also identify common misconceptions and address them proactively. Except expertise becomes most impactful when combined with passion and effective pedagogy during concept introduction, doubt clearing session and advanced level discussion. Strong subject knowledge ensure the teacher remains confident, clear and resourceful. This expertise is not limited to classroom. It plays a role in curriculum development, mentoring junior teachers, preparing students for competitions and communicating with parents. It is essential across all levels, primary, secondary or senior secondary education. To conclude, I believe that expertise in subject matter is the backbone of good teaching. It empowers the teacher, enriches the student experience and strengthens the foundation of education. As teacher, investing in our subject knowledge is a commitment not only to ourselves but also to the future of our learners. Thank you.